Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Today we're making naked cake, a super simple chocolate cake recipe with cherries on top. What more could you want? Start by mixing together 90 milliliters of milk with 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Once mixed, set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes and let it do its magic. Meanwhile, mix together 80 grams of caster sugar with 60 milliliters of oil. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 200 milliliters of condensed milk. Pour in your milk vinegar mixture, blend it all together. Now sift in the dry ingredients. We want 130 grams of refined flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and finally 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now fold it in with a spatula. And your cake mixture is ready. Pour it into a 6-inch lined cake tin. Give it a few taps and bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. It should come out looking something like this. Allow to cool, then remove from the tin. Slice off the top, then slice in half. Now spoon on some sugar syrup and let it sink into the sponge. Pipe on chocolate ganache. Add the top layer of cake, more sugar syrup, more chocolate ganache, spreading it evenly to cover the top. And finally sprinkle on some chocolate shavings and add fresh cherries in the middle. And for a finishing touch, some mint leaves. And there you have it. Beautiful, chocolatey, naked cake. Enjoy!